How to replay View Once photos and videos on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to recover and rewatch View Once media through the data export feature on your Android device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. At this point, tap on Account Center to open your Meta Account Center. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Your Information and Permissions. Following this, tap on Export Your Information from the list. Once done, tap on Create Export to begin setting up your data export. From here, select Export to Device as your export destination. At this stage, tap on Customize Information to choose what data you want to export. After this, make sure to select only Messages to keep the export file small and focused. Deselect everything else. Once completed, tap on Start Export to submit your request and wait for the export to be processed. Finally, once you receive a notification that your export is ready, download the file, open it through your Files app, and navigate through the exported data to find and view the View Once photos and videos that were previously sent to you. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you recover and rewatch View Once media, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.